don't feel it, you're not happy.
Well, that's about.
Knocking a train off the track. Hear it? Damn.
Oh, wow.
Really?
Really?
Look.
It's time to get focused.
You're going to get something spooky. I'm going to make something spooky on your butt. What?
That's alright.
Get water in it, 'cause ours did. What's up?
Our driveway's flooded already.
How'd you know? Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing's flooded. Oh man, that thing is flooded. Not so. Yeah, get inside, dog. It's time to get inside. The sidewalks are flooded. To the curb. For the water.